Hey Rebels! Welcome to Student Success in the ASC building, where your goals become our mission and your journey gets the support it deserves. Need help mapping out your academic path? Our academic advising team is here to guide you from your first semester to graduation day. Struggling with the class? We've got your back. Tap into free tutoring, study skills, workshops, and learning support that actually works. Thinking about life after college? We've got you covered with career coaching, internships, and resume reviews that help you land that dream job. New to UNLV? Our first year experience programs and peer mentors help you feel at home from day one. Money on your mind? Learn how to budget, save, and thrive with our financial wellness resources and scholarship support. Your academic future matters. Student Success offers coaching, support, and spaces to recharge, because success starts with taking care of you. Want to get involved? From student leadership to campus events, we help you connect, grow, and shine. Thousands of Rebels have found their rhythm with Student Success, and now it's your turn. So what are you waiting for? Visit unlv.edu/ASC, connect with Student Success, and let's make your UNLV experience unforgettable. Student Success at UNLV. Your future starts here.